Today we're going to be taking a look at a product that was sent to us by Katerk, and I was really excited to receive this product because it is a hot stapler, but it is a battery operated hot stapler. If you were unfamiliar with what a hot stapler is, it allows you to melt staples down inside pieces of plastic that are cracked, basically allowing you to repair cracked pieces of plastic. It'll hold it together so that you can fix that particular crack or issue with the plastic. Inside the box, you're going to find a manual, you're going to find a utility knife, you're also going to find a pair of cutters. It comes with a bunch of staples, 4 different containers consisting of 4 different types of staples. You will obviously get the stapler itself and a USB A to C charging cable. And regarding those 4 different sizes of staples, this is what it comes with. As you can see, this is perfect for outside corners, inside corners, and big or small cracks. Looking at the device itself, you can tell that it was pretty well thought out. It fits pretty good in my hand, and the angle on it is perfect for the way you'll be installing these particular staples. There is a power button on top. There's also a LED indicator panel right here, and you can see it has high, medium, and low. That is because the heat to that staple is adjustable. And located on the bottom is a trigger. This is what you're going to use to make the staple get hot. When you release it, it'll quit giving power to the staple. As far as staples, the ones that I have used the most over the years look like this. And just like any other staple, there are 2 legs on the bottom of it, and you take these 2 legs and you shove them into the end of the tool like this. It'll stay in place by friction, and now you're ready to use the tool. Different plastics require different temperatures to be able to melt the staple into it. To change those temperatures, you pull the trigger button down and you press the power button. We're going to put it on medium. That's how we're going to use the tool today. On my workbench, I have 2 pieces of plastic. I'm just going to try to simulate something that you would have a crack in it. In case you're curious, these 2 pieces of plastic are just HDPE. I'm going to go ahead and install my first staple. I'm going to put the staple in place. Go ahead and pull the trigger. And it's starting to melt into the plastic just like that. And I'm going to just give it a couple little twists and a couple little rocks. And then once it's down inside, I'm going to let go of the trigger, let it cool, and then pull the tool off. So essentially what we did is we melted the staple deep down inside the plastic, and now it's pretty much mended. It's not going to come apart, and you can trim these legs off. Let's go ahead and do that. And at this point, you could either sand it down and fill it. You could use another tool to maybe melt some more plastic into it. But for the most part, it's just going to hold the way it is. So now we've kind of started mending this crack, so to speak. Let's go ahead and do another staple. This is a little bit of a different design, but this was designed to stitch kind of long ways, just like this. I'm going to hold the trigger, wiggle it around, let it melt down inside, let go of the trigger so it cools down. Pull straight back on the tool. And now the staple's installed and the plastic is getting even more mended. And then what you would typically do is you would just keep working down the crack, and you would just keep reinforcing it with these staples and melting them on down inside the plastic. Just like this. What I find this tool really useful for, and at least my profession, is interior plastics on cars. It also works really well for bumpers and things like that on cars. Pretty much any piece of plastic that you have that's cracked, well, glue doesn't always work for plastics, and this does. This is a good way to fix a problem. And having a battery operated stapler like this one, well, that's awesome. You're not stuck to an outlet, or you don't need a long extension cord to install these staples. I really like that feature. That's one thing I liked about this tool. And then at this point, you would just go trim all those little legs off as flush as you can. And now that those staples are heated deep down inside, this piece of plastic is not going to come apart. It's very firm, it's very tight, it's going to hold. If this was maybe the front bumper of a car, well, really you'd only have to work with this particular crack here, and it's not so bad. The staples are holding it together, it's very tight. You could even come back and stitch across the other side of the crack, making it that much tighter. That's going to give you a little more surface that you're going to have to redo and kind of blend in and make that kind of visually go away, but it would be stronger. But again, with something like this, this is very, very strong. It's not going to break. It's a permanent fix. So what are my final thoughts? Well, I really like the fact that we have these options, and we actually can do this with a battery or a rechargeable device such as this one. The hot staplers that I've used in the past, and the one that I currently have that this one will be replacing, well, you have to plug it into the wall. And in some situations that's fine, but if you have to do some work actually on the car or on the device you're trying to mend that crack, well, this is a better option. They give you plenty of staples. They also give you a couple of tools that you would use with one of these. I think the device itself is built pretty well. It seems to be well thought out. It is relatively inexpensive. I will put a link down below in case you're interested. And if I have any problems with this tool in the future, I will certainly put it in a pinned comment down below. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos. At the very least, you might be entertained.